got a hot ass race car or a race motor period, it's on the verge of blowing up. That's the only way you're gonna get it to run hot. So if you're hooking up some sounds, it's the same principle. If you're hooking up anything, you're talking about power, it's the same principle. You got to be on the verge of blowing up. You got to control, not to control. For real. That's all it is. Controlling, not a control. And you master that, man, which I ain't seen nobody who could, it's up to the operator. Most of the time when the shit blow up, it's operator error. I blew up mine before, and I do this shit.
So you trying to tell me that when it sounded so good, they always trying to take it to a higher limit?
Oh, well, that's of course. You know what I mean? Your car go fast, you want to go faster. You know what I mean? The sounds that sound good, hey, enjoy it. Ride your motorcycle, have fun. Or your car, whatever. Why do you always have to be in a sound contest every day? It don't make sense. But you know, stunting costs, so y'all niggas got plenty of money. Keep on bringing it, man. I need that.
You know, tomorrow's their future. But for me, just another day. They all gather around me. They seem to know my name. We laugh, tell a few jokes, but it still doesn't ease my pain. I know I can't hide from a memory, though day after day I've tried. I keep saying,
hey, Scooter, it's Sunday, man. I mean, you really love this shit, huh?
I love it.
I don't fuck with you.